Okay, I'm back. So this video is going to cover my thoughts on selecting a tutor. So I'm going to keep this as short as possible, and I'll have a more comprehensive list on my website to maybe be a guide. So first and foremost, you want to find someone who's available and of course at the price range you are looking for. So I'm I've been tutoring for quite some time. I make sure that's pretty explicit on my website. And just so you know, I'm available Sundays and Mondays to tutor, and my rates are $50 an hour. It's a flat rate, prorated if you go over that. Second, I would check their background, right? So they should have recommendations. If they have a website, they'll have recommendations there, or perhaps on Google reviews, or perhaps they can provide written recommendations. And you can also get recommendations from neighbors and family, friends, and so on. So if they know this person, they've say your neighbor has a tutor that's worked with their son or daughter and they recommend them, then that's a pretty good sign that they're a good tutor. And a few more thoughts on that as well. Tutors tutors have a wide range of personalities and ages too, right? So, for example, I worked with a tutor in Dallas. She was 17 or 18, getting ready to graduate. She had a perfect SAT score and was going to MIT. And she covered a lot of subject area. She was highly requested, at our office. So she was young, right? And some people did not they didn't they wanted someone older, right? So again, it's a preference thing, right? But this person was probably one of the best tutors I've ever worked with. And of course, I worked with tutors that are older than me, my age, and so on. And there's really no, ideal age, I guess. Again, you should, look at their background and what they've been doing in recent years as far as tutoring and so on. So there's that. And also keep in mind, we're making sure when we say meet with you for the first time, and I actually have students fill out a form so I understand what their needs are, right? Yet you need to understand, prospective tutors should try to understand what your tutoring needs are, whether you want to meet maybe just as needed or on a regular basis, and so on. And we're trying to make sure, of course, that we are a good fit for you as well. Like there's alignment, and I highly recommend, because we are making sure sort of behind the scenes, like is this student going to be consistent with attendance and showing up on time and doing the work as well. So again, alignment, it goes both ways. So of course students want to pick the right tutor for them, and tutors are trying to get the students that we feel that we can help in general and be successful in their courses. So thanks again for watching this. I appreciate it, and hit like and subscribe if you want to see more content. And I'll actually be rolling out some additional content on actual chemistry problems, so that'll be coming out in the next couple days.